Hello to all the lovely armies watching this video. BTS new comeback is almost here, so I thought to make a quick guide on how you can support their album properly. So without wasting a single second, let's get into the video. The first point is to support them on global platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, and other platforms as well. Even though YouTube views don't really count for charts, but it's still very important to stream there. Now when we are talking about streaming, I wanted to give you an advice to use billion stream song, like songs which are close to 1 billion or 2 billion. You can see on your screen how you have to make your playlist. Simply some ARIRANG tracks and other popular songs are closer to 1 billion streams on Spotify. There are so many points as well which you have to keep in mind while streaming. You can see it on your screen. This helps avoid spam filtering on platforms like Spotify. Now let's talk about voting stuff. Music show votings like M Countdown, and there are so many. So how you will get to know about them? Simply search OT7 Shruti on Instagram. Go to the highlights section. You will see a broadcast channel. You can join that channel. Me and my moderators post almost about all the votings which are going on. And if you don't want to vote on monthly or weekly basis, you can vote on major votings which are included in this video. I made this video in 2025. You can check out it on my page playlist section on this particular channel. Now I wanted to highlight one more thing, donations and funds. I have written it here. If you want to donate for comeback funds, please don't trust anyone blindly, especially on YouTube. If you want, you can donate. These funds are used for supporting BTS music.
I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go.